Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and welcome to Thursday, April 18th of 2019. Some morning announcements for today. Just a reminder that there is no school tomorrow, which is Friday, April 19th, and there is school on Monday, so you do come back to school on Monday. Our 4th and 5th grade choir concert is happening tonight at 6 p.m. at Belvedere High School at the PAC. And for our April birthdays, we don't have any birthdays to announce for today, but we'll have a whole bunch of birthdays to announce for when we come back from Easter break. So when we come back on Monday, there will be a whole bunch of birthdays to announce. For our lunch choices, we have French toast sticks with sausage, cheeseburger, or fun on the run. And today for our pause, we have some students from 2nd grade.
All right, it's time for our pause, and we have some 2nd grade students here to do our pause for today.
No bullying. Don't be loud in the art room. Don't stand up when the teacher is talking.
Those are great suggestions. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. And if you didn't notice, down in the bottom of the screen here, we do have a riddle for the day today. I know it's not Friday, but it's Thursday. We don't have school tomorrow. So our riddle for the day today is, what can travel around the world while staying in a corner? What can travel around the world while staying in a corner? So remember, boys and girls, if you know the answer to that, you'll see me out and about today. You can kind of give me a guess. But don't disrupt your instruction time in classroom. So make sure that when you see me, you can give me a guess. At this time, let's take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, guys. I appreciate that very much, and I hope everyone has a great Easter break after today. Hope the Easter Bunny is good for you, and remember, make some great choices today, because the choices are yours. So have a good one.